Welcome home to Spring Branch Townhomes. I'm Jackie and I'm so excited to show you around your future home. Our community is in an A-plus location just off Sam Ridley Parkway in Smyrna, putting you minutes from everything you need. Whether it's groceries at Kroger or Publix, shopping at Target or TJ Maxx, or brunch at First Watch, you're less than a mile from it all. Plus, Malco Cinema, Starbucks, Chick-fil-A, Whataburger, and Hobby Lobby are just around the corner. Commuting to Nashville? You're only 2 miles from I-24 and just 25 minutes from the heart of Music City, making your daily drive a breeze. Inside, your townhome is designed with your lifestyle in mind, with flexible layouts that offer space for work, play, guests, and more. You'll also finally have a garage of your own and a private driveway, giving you plenty of room for storage and parking. Want outdoor space without the hassle? Lawn care is included so you can spend more time enjoying your backyard and less time maintaining it. And if you're looking for a little extra fun, our community will feature a dog park, pickleball court, and playground, perfect for pets, playdates, and weekend hangouts. When you build with us, you're never alone. Our team is here to make homeownership easier than ever. We'll walk you through financing, keep you updated on your home's progress, and support you even after you move in with a new home warranty and dedicated customer care team. So, what are you waiting for? Come visit us at Spring Branch Townhomes today. We can't wait to welcome you home.